IBM results just crossing in that amount of time. That stock is higher initially by more than 3.5%. IBM delivered a beat on the top and bottom lines for its Q2. Revenue came in at $15.77 billion versus the $15.62 billion consensus. Earnings per share came in at $2.43 versus $2.17 consensus. Big hero here for IBM is the software business, which came in $250 million better than expected for the quarter. Infrastructure was also strong. Consulting was weaker than expected. I spoke exclusively with IBM CEO Arvind Krishna about the results ahead of the earnings call, which is coming up. Here's some of what he told me. On what drove software's outperformance, he said, now, as you know, mainframe hardware has been outperforming for many years now. So effectively, as the hardware capacity goes up, people are going to want more software. But I think there's a few more reasons. Cyber, overall resiliency, as in keeping the lights running, as maybe some other operating systems had trouble with at the end of last week. CrowdStrike there. Now, the demographics on interest rates, inflation, and environments getting more complicated is driving the need for more and more automation. So we call the category automation, but in there is things like Apptio for cloud cost management, he said. Now, on the consulting business, which has been up low single digits when IBM projected mid to high, he said, we get 10 to 12% of the people who leave each year. Now, I was asking him about whether costs are contained there or if he's going to have to do some cutting. So he said, when you're talking about a couple of points, the weakness here, you can manage that without doing anything extreme. If it was going to be 5 to 10 points off, that requires action. Now, I also asked him about geography and those currency headwinds. He said Asia is strong aside from China, and Europe has been unexpectedly resilient for the last couple of years and continues to be. And on those currency headwinds with the stronger dollar, he said he's assuming, and IBM is assuming, that will continue. So, Nicole, to your point about some of those things, IBM, top-line growth for IBM, investors haven't always seen that.
They haven't. And I think, one of the things that we talk about often is that IBM has so much good stuff under the hood. And then it's how are we going to watch management execute on that? And when we start to see more of that consistent management execution, I think you'll actually see the market give more to IBM in terms of expectations. I believe it was just last quarter that they cut forward guidance for full year. So a little bit of an uptick here, although the consulting arm of the business is by far the largest part of their business. And so, consulting across the board has been a bit weak, which is a bit surprising, thinking about the advancements in technology and how, again, at that enterprise level, implementation, adoption is all going to happen for everybody.